Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping all accounts from being able to mention you on Threads by Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Threads app and logging into your account. Now tap your profile icon from the bottom menu. On your profile page, tap the globe icon at the top left of your screen, and from there select Mentions. Now select No One. This will stop anyone from being able to mention your profile in their Threads replies or bio. It will save right away. You can exit the settings and your preferences will update. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Threads tips and tricks.